is Vince Kirsten Liguma and I'm from BIT2A. And today's topic is about hollow inverted triangle using nested loops. And so yeah, I will try my best to explain it with step by step so you guys can understand it. The program starts by including the necessary library, angle bracket, stdio, dot h, and defining the main function. Int min, open and close parentheses, open bracket. This is the starting point. Two integers variable, I and g, are declared to be used as counter for the loops, row and column indices respectively. The variable row is initialized to 5, which determines the size of the overall pattern. For open parentheses, I equals 1 semicolon, I lesser than equals rows, semicolon, I plus plus, close parentheses, open bracket. This is the outer loop which control the 5 rows of the pattern. It starts with the I equals 1, the first row, and continues until 1 equals 5, the last row. For each iteration of this loop, one complete line of the pattern is printed. A printf, open parentheses, quotation mark, slash in, quotation mark, close parentheses, semicolon, at the end ensures that after all the characters for a single row are printed, the cursor moves to the next line. For open parentheses, g equals 1, semicolon, g lesser than equals rows, semicolon, g plus plus, close parentheses, open bracket. This is the inner loop which control the 5 columns within each row. It starts with g equals 1, the first column, and continues until g equals 5, the last column. The if condition within this loop determines whether to print an asterisk or two spaces for the current position. An asterisk is printed if any of these three conditions are true for the current position. First, I equals 1. This prints a asterisk for every column in the first row, the top horizontal line of the pattern. And the second is g equals 1. This print a asterisk for every row in the first column, the left vertical line of the pattern. The third is g equals open parentheses rows minus I plus 1 close parentheses. This is the logic that creates the diagonal line or hypotenuse of the pattern. So, none of the three conditions are met. The else block executes, printing two spaces for alignment, keeping the pattern hollow. The program ultimately prints a 5 times 5 square grid patterns that forms a right angle hollow triangle leading to the left. If open parentheses I equals 1 or g equals 1 or g equals open parentheses rows minus I plus 1 close parentheses open bracket. Print if open parentheses a question mark asterisk a question mark close bracket else open bracket. Print if open parentheses a question mark space a question mark close parentheses semicolon. There are three places asterisk will be printed. Number 1, I equal 1, the very first row prints a full top horizontal line of stars. Number 2, g equals 1, the first column prints a vertical line of stars down the left edge. And the third is g equals open parentheses rows minus I plus 1 close parentheses a diagonal that runs from the top right towards the bottom left. Printf open parentheses quotation mark slash and quotation mark close parentheses semicolon. After the inner loop finish for a given I, this move output to the next line. Return 0 semicolon. The program ends successfully, returning 0 to the OS.